show. We'll do a single file line, makes it quick and convenient. He can hear you underneath this helmet. 1, 2, 3, scream! Oh, Terrell's just faking everybody out. He says he needs to make you a little bit more noise! With a knock-knock flip, ladies! Huge knock-knock, old school style. Jeremy McGrath action there.
Cracking the vision. Who said the motivation's all wrong?
Oh! The huge cliff! Let's hear it for Terrell!
This thing is definitely badass.
I feel bad for these kids dressed up in this heat. Who would have guessed, record heat this year, but I'm complaining that it's not raining like yesterday. Potter. Catalina, right here on 3. Catalina. 1, 2, 3.
California, ladies and gentlemen. So here's how it's going to work. We're going to go ahead and give Jad a few jumps to kind of shine, to show you guys what he's got. But remember, freestyle motocross riders drive up crowd participation, energy, and applause. So if you're ready, let's hear you make a little noise! Course number 1 in Fast Fun. As Jad, as the exhibition goes on, the chicks will get more dangerous and more risky. And we're going to start things off with something like this. 1, 2, 3, make a little noise! Jad, goes for the no-footed cake. It looks like he got his foot hung up a little bit there. Not wanting to commit to the trick, and that's a good reason why, because we do not like white boxes that have wheels and flashing lights on them. And I'm talking about those.
Yeah, go ahead.
But you know what? Hey, we're not done just yet. You guys want to see if we can get 2 bikes in the air at the same time?
Walk off. I'm gonna go in the shade for a minute.
Okay.
We good?
Get some of these cars.
Keep in mind, folks, these guys have a very serious rut down there in the far back corner. There are 2 different types of machines. They're about to try and get as close as they can. Normally on concrete, but it's nice and smooth. We're going to give these guys.
Around 64.
Okay.
Yeah, flames on the side and everything.
All right, so now we got to get 3 to 4 years old up here. Costume contest, 3 to 4 years old. Kids costume contest on the hottest day of the year, right? I remember where I'm from in Pennsylvania. I used to complain because it was never warm. But we didn't care.
Pieces.
Oh, okay.
Picture of that.